Alright, but right now though we're on YouTube, so no. Christian Auditor, Christian Auditor. Said about it. I look like Katie. Me and Katie are about to go to the riverfront at 2:17 a.m. I'm saying a stupid idea. She's, been on it all night saying, "Look, you're a moron because you don't know marketing. I went to school for marketing when she went to school for dentistry." Like, we were trying to fool Katie Bird. Well, Katie Bird came here today, and I caught her stealing a couple of my spoons. Well, I forgave her for that, and we got past that. And, well, another problem, literally trying to take the hard drive off my Xbox, slide it in her gas purse. Catch her doing that. But one thing I've learned with Katie is how to forgive. And, I just really think that, life sucks sometimes, but it's like Katie Bird makes it all worthwhile. Kids are still from you, and then they teach you forgiveness. It was all for my good, because I come out a better person. Yeah, I lost a couple spoons and hard drive to my Xbox, but I learned a life lesson, and I had a block about 2 months ago. Why I still doubt there? Someone tell me that. But anyway, Katie. What? Of everybody right now, everyone watching, you guys didn't even know when I was coming. Like you did an untangled. Anyway, JoJoCinco, some 2010. I know you don't want to see like naked girls being wild, jumping everywhere, but would you rather see this? Right? Yeah, Hi. Hi. Okay. Right. Will you be my white horse girl?
Yes, I will.
All right. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. I feel like the weight of the world's been taken off my shoulders right now. And you know what? I would have never had the courage if it wasn't for this. I got to tell you what. I read a quote about Clearwater Springs condo, and it said, "A good place to raise a kid with a playground." So that made me think, if she's not my white horse wife, goddess, how can I have kids with her? You know what I'm saying? You gotta become a white horse goddess nun first. I mean, are you happy? Are you happy, Katie?
Yes.
You are? It's good. I'm happy. I'm happy. And I want to thank Clearwater for making this all possible. They sponsored and got me the rosary. I earned a lot of money. Doesn't matter to Katie though, because Katie is all about eyebrow piercings and the tattoos. Atkins don't know more about it than me. And Katie, tell them. Tell them how you feel right now. Pass the wisdom on to the world. Let them know. Because it's 3 a.m. and we're almost out of it. We worked. We was laying brick. We've been laying bricks since 6 a.m. We be working for 3 hours. First, we gotta go to the methadone clinic. Then we gotta go to labor. How many milligrams you want to know?
50.
I'm on 290.
Wow. I'll get better.
It will?
Yeah.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm your white horse girl.
So you think that lower my dose though?
Yeah.
Because they say once that happens, it does make you it releases endorphins and dopamine. It's gonna fucking die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. You're losing this house. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Well, 7 minutes. You guys see it. Give a thanks to Visa, the credit card company, for never sending me credit cards when I was 18, because I think they knew, by my name or something, that I'd never, ever pay them back, and that's why I got a 300. But I got an 820, and the old story. I had perfect credit before I met him.
Pretty much.
Katie, I can't unplug it. You're already walking back. Will you just tell him? Can we tell him now is a married horse, white horse girl?
Yes.
I told you yesterday. I said there might be another CINCO. Did I tell you that?
What?
A CINCO? I tell you, might be. Did I really tell you that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, you did.
This is JoJo and
Katie Bird.
Okay. All right.
Take 2.
JoJo and
Katie Bird single.
I'm over flooded with excitement because new CINCO's been born. There was only 2. Now there's 3. I love the world. You know what I'm saying? I'll be heading in one more time. Might as well run a whole 10 because we got a minute left.
No.
Let's run a whole 10. Come here, stand next to me. Come here. Do what I do. Do what I do. So this is the beginning of the rest of our lives as a couple. We will buy a house in Fairdale, the garage, onto the house, literally onto the house. You can be in the back of the house. When you walk past the bathroom, there's a hallway to the garage.
That's my dream house.
It's on East Manslick, right in front of Dairy Queen, in the heart of Fairdale. So, teach at Fairdale Parade. 3 seconds. We love you.